Hi, I'm Victor, the DNA Health Chef, and today I'm doing a perfect pork roast. You won't need a lot of equipment, and I promise you this is going to be one of the quickest dishes you will ever do in the air fryer, at least from a preparation point of view. So, I'm going to use my paring knife, and as you can see, I've just put the blade out a little bit, and I'm going to work from top to bottom, getting that knife all the way in and cutting the skin. I'm going to do that about 5 millimeters gap all the way from left to right. So I'll see you on the other side. So as you can see, scored on this side, the bone is broken already on the other side, and pretty much all we need to do is the salt and put it in the oven. So the first step with this is just to get the salt inside these lashings we've made on our pork skin. It doesn't have to be perfect, because the big thing is that the salt will be scrubbed and brushed off at the end. So when you think the chef is being crazy, I'm not. I'm gonna prepare my roasting tray, and I'm using this unit that comes with your air fryer. And I'm gonna do about 3 double layers of tin foil. And this will also aid the cooking process for our pork. So as the pork is roasting, it will just let all that lovely juices of the pork drip into this tin foil. Put my pork roast inside. Perfect. So this is about a 6-bone pork loin roast, and that fits perfectly into this tray. I'm just going to pull my foil out a little bit, and you'll see at the end why I've added so much foil, and also creating this little basket of tin foil, because obviously we want all our juice to stay inside this and not drip into the air fryer and create unnecessary smoke. I'm just positioning my pork. Now the part where you might think I'm a little bit crazy, but I'm not. We want to create a heavy crust of salt. You want to literally coat the entire skin. And the reason why we're doing this with the salt is the salt in this process is absorbing the moisture from the skin. And as we are roasting, that actually helps crisp up the pork roast. So I'm literally going to spread this molten salt evenly across my pork. So now for the DNA Health air fryer to do its work. Put your pork roast in the oven. I've got another perforated tray right at the bottom of this of the air fryer. I'm going to put my pork roast on top of that. Fits perfectly. Then power on, push menu. The light goes to the chicken option, but obviously not roasting chicken. We're going to adjust the timer to 1 hour, because the air fryer can run for 1 hour max. So 1 hour. Adjust the temperature to 200 degrees. Going to activate the bottom element to make sure that both the top and bottom elements are active or activated. Switch off the rotisserie option. Push power on. And there you go. Our hour is complete. I'm going to open this oven. Please just marvel at this amazing roast. But I do feel there's another 10 minutes in the oven to go for this particular cut. So I'm going to just turn it around. You can also just touch it. You can feel that pork, the skin is perfectly crackling already. So I'm going to switch it on again. Same process, menu, just adjust the timer for 10 minutes. the temperature to 200 degrees. Bottom element on, top element on, rotisserie off, and there we go. That final cycle is complete, and I promise you, I can't wait for my finished product. I'm just always amazed how quickly this goes compared to the big oven. You can hear that boiling part. Turn that around. I just want you to hear this. Perfect pork crack. So I'm going to just transfer my pork now to my cutting board and just show you how to finish off this unit as you're about to serve. The big part is everybody has got their own way in terms of sauces, gravies, or side dishes. So please take your time, choose wisely. Find something that's going to complement this beautiful pork dish. And all I'm doing right now, just with the back of the knife, is scraping off that excess salt. I'm not going to scrape everything off so that you can also just see and hear. And there you have it, the DNA Health Air Fryer Perfect Pork Roast.